Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. Today we've got a Union. This came from Daz Evers. Please check out his channel. I'll leave a description at the bottom for you. He makes great locks, challenge locks. He's a great guy. He sent me this with a package last week. He sent me two Unions with some other ones, but as you can see, we've got a 5 and a 6 pin. We're going to do the 6 pin. Now, the keys for the pair of them are mummified, and because I took them out separate bags and on my wally, can't remember which is which. I've tried to measure them, but because they're both taped up, I can't tell. But we don't need the key if we're going to pick it. So I'll wait till I've picked the other one at some point, and then I can undo both keys. Oh, nearly knocked everything over. There we go again. I think it's been one of those days. I do apologise. But yeah, let's get it picked. There we go. I'm going to use a homemade tension wrench and a medium hook. I'm at the bottom of the keyway, this just because of the warding. Down here at the bottom it's far too deep and it twists around, so it's easier to come in on a slight angle. As I click off number 5. I'm sorry about the noise you can hear outside, it's the bin man. Oh, we've got a default set there, straight away. Oh. I think we're going to have to slightly twist this back, and I think that pin wants to go in. Yep, it clicks it. That must be a really deep spool, that. Another fault set. Oh, we're open. We're open. There we go. Dodgy. It was those last two pins. Right, so let's get this clip off. Give me a second. There we go. Tweezers. And there we go. Let's have a look. Oh, it's one of these dodgy clips. It's just going to run around in circles with me. Okay. Oh. One second. There we go. We got it off. So it's a pain in the ass. It was sliding around. It nearly locked itself up, and I didn't want it to do it. Right, pins in there, so that will do. Give me a follower. I just dropped one out, but I've got hold of it still. There we go, let's put that down, and the pin I've got is in my hand. Let's put it back in here, and then see what we have got. Let's put that down a little bit. There we go. So we got... That looks like a torpedo. It's pretty cool, that one. Standard in second. Standard in third. Another torpedo. This little serrate. It's type spoolie bit. And little serrated one again in 6. The chamber. There's a little bit of counter milling and no threading. Let's have a look what we got in here. Oh, standard. Aha. There's your deep spool. Oh, little T-piece. That's not only a little thing, that. And then we got slightly serrated one. Looks a little bit like GG pin. And then at the very end, what have we got? Well, that is definitely a beefy spool. It's like that's a meaty one. I think that's it. What have we got for springs? I'll try and do this gentle because I don't want to mix them up. Let's use a hook to gently coerce them out. Well, let's have a look. We've got steel, brass, brass, steel. Right. So we have got steel, brass, so it's copper, sorry. 2 steel, very long steel one at the end, and the very last one. I don't know if don't think it wants to come out. I think it's a shy one. Oh no, because they're all there. What a spanner. Oh, there we go. Not too bad. It's a very enjoyable pick. Very nice pins. That one here though, that is a meaty one. That was giving me grief at first. That deep spool, but these ones, it does remind me of a torpedo. Them two. But yeah, that was a nice lock. It was a very good pick. Well, thank you very much, Darren. Cheers for sending me that challenge lock. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.